Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I've missed you all so much. So, today we have another edition of affordable makeup look, and I have created this beautiful blue glitter smoky eye. Christmas is coming, and many parties and weddings are coming, so you can wear this effort makeup look for any parties or festivals. And I have another surprise palette, so you'll be watching it. So, let's get into the tutorial. For this makeup look, I'm using the e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette. This blue is literally screaming to me, so I had to swatch this up for you all. All the product details will be in the description box below. So first of all, I am going to take this concealer and I'm going to prime my eye as we will be working with glitters. So I'm going to apply this with a beauty blender, and then as usual I'm going to apply an eyeshadow guard so that effortlessly we can get a smoky winged eye look. I'm going to take this cream color and apply it only near my brow bone, and then with a pencil brush I'm going to take this orange sort of color and I'm going to draw it near my crease. This will define our crease, and also this will be our transition shade. This will be easy for us to blend also. Remember, we are applying the shadow directly, we are not putting anything on the concealer. Next I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to blend it. Applying concealer always gives you a perfect pigment, so make sure you apply a concealer or an eyeshadow primer to get the full eyeshadow payoff. Next I'm going to take this dark orange maroon shade and I'm going to apply it on the outer third and the inner half of my eyelid. We are sort of creating a halo look here, but we will be applying blue shadow in the between. Next I'm going to take the same buffing brush and I'm going to blend the eyeshadow. Next I'm going to take more of the dark maroon shade. I'm going to deepen it again further. Then I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery blue color, and then with my finger I'm going to pat this in the mid of my lid as I'm showing in the video. Do it like that, just pat it, don't drag it. Remember, our eyeshadow base is still wet, so that we can get good pigment payoff. As usual, we will blend it in order to avoid any harsh lines. I'm so excited to show you all this. I bought this ColourPop Fade into Hue eyeshadow palette. This is so beautiful. If you want to know how I bought this palette, just ping me on my Instagram. It's there in my description, in my channel description. Ping me in Instagram. I'll tell you how to buy this ColourPop Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this beautiful kaleidoscope glitter with my finger and I'm going to dab it on the blue which I have applied. Look how beautiful that is looking, guys. This is so gorgeous. You don't need any glitter glue. It's directly on my lid. Just look how beautiful that is. Next I'm going to take this eyeliner and I'm going to apply. I'm going to stamp it because we have put some shimmer, so you always should stamp the liner as how I'm showing in the mid of my lid. I'm stamping it, I'm not dragging it, as you can see. You can also take liquid liner, but this is my comfort zone, so I'm using this eyeliner. Next, after this I'm going to apply few coats of mascara. Careful while applying mascara because you don't want it to stick on top of your lid. It's very difficult to clean, so always careful. Next I'm going to apply false eyelashes. I have applied false eyelashes only on the outer wing, if you can see, because I don't want to hide that glitter. Next I'm going to take this dark maroon shade and apply it in my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this blue eye crayon from Lakme and I'm going to apply it in my lash line so that my eyes will look more brighter. As usual, with the help of this card, I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes also. So that's it. There you have the look. So I hope you liked it. So do ping me on Instagram if you like it, and I'm going to consider all the requests. As you can see, I'm doing them. So I love you a lot for all your support. Do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. I love you all. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys. I love you. Stay safe. Bye bye.